Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Philips PFS6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. Here in settings we're gonna have to select the first menu, which is picture, and then go to picture style and select one of the available styles we have in here. So as you can see, we have the default personal style, the crystal clear, screen home cinema, echo or echo style, movie style, and basically to switch to any of them, just click OK on the picture style that you like. And once you've made the changes, just exit to the home screen. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.